Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with KeyBank, fast setup step by step clearly. To get started with using Zelle through KeyBank, first, ensure you have the KeyBank mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the KeyBank app and log in with your online banking credentials. Once logged in, locate the Payments or Zelle option in the main menu. Tap on the Zelle option to initiate the setup process. You may need to accept the terms and conditions for using Zelle. Next, you'll be prompted to enroll your email address or mobile number. Choose your preferred method of enrollment, then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. If you select your mobile number, a verification code will be sent via SMS for confirmation. Enter the code in the app to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can set up a payment method if prompted. This may involve linking a bank account or adding a debit card. After setting up your payment method, you can start sending and receiving money using Zelle. To send money, select a contact from your address book or enter their email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you wish to send and add a note if desired. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. You'll receive a confirmation of the transaction, and the recipient will be notified via their preferred method. To receive money, simply provide your email address or mobile number to the sender. The funds will appear in your KeyBank account shortly after completion. If you encounter any issues, visit KeyBank's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.